In the realm of contemporary landscaping, vertical gardens have emerged as a transformative design element, seamlessly integrating nature into urban living spaces. This particular vertical garden, affixed to the exterior of a building, exemplifies modern garden design with its innovative approach and aesthetic appeal. The foundation of this masterpiece is a light beige concrete wall composed of textured blocks that provide a striking yet neutral backdrop for the vibrant array of flora. Mounted upon this wall are meticulously arranged wooden planters, crafted in a sleek rectangular shape. These planters ascend in a staggered formation, creating an eye-catching display that draws the eye upward and invites exploration. Each wooden planter serves as a habitat for a diverse collection of plants, showcasing an assortment of spiky succulents, lush ferns, and flowering species adorned with delicate blossoms in shades of pink, white, and red. The careful spacing of the planters ensures an aesthetically pleasing arrangement while allowing each plant to thrive and flourish, adding depth and dimension to the vertical garden. Complementing this stunning display, a series of wide, light gray concrete steps with a hexagonal pattern lead visitors up to a small white rectangular planter positioned at the upper right. This subtle elevation invites interaction, encouraging individuals to engage with the greenery and appreciate the artistry of the design. To the right of the steps, a narrow strip of verdant foliage features tall, conical evergreen shrubs, enhancing the outdoor greenery and enriching the garden's overall ambiance. The backdrop is further enhanced by the presence of a majestic leafy tree, enveloped in additional greenery that evokes a sense of serenity, reminiscent of a private garden retreat. The harmonious color palette blends natural greens, soft pinks, crisp whites, and earthy browns, creating a cohesive visual experience that is both refreshing and invigorating. The rough texture of the concrete blocks contrasts beautifully with the smooth, polished finish of the wooden planters, while the varied textures of the plants add richness to the landscape. Captured on a bright sunny day, the photograph reveals how natural light plays a pivotal role in showcasing the vibrant colors and intricate textures within this vertical garden. The interplay of sunlight and shadow breathes life into the scene, enhancing the overall aesthetic and inviting viewers to immerse themselves in this modern oasis. In summary, this vertical garden stands as a testament to the beauty of modern garden design, skillfully utilizing wooden planters to create a stunning outdoor feature that harmonizes with its surroundings. It serves not only as a visual delight, but also as a celebration of nature's resilience and elegance within an urban landscape.